If you're looking for a smarter, faster and more efficient way to move materials in your warehouse, the Sinolift CBD15Li electric pallet truck delivers the perfect combination of power, precision and modern lithium-ion technology. This compact pedestrian pallet truck transforms everyday material handling into smooth, effortless operations. The first thing you'll notice is how easy the CBD15Li is to operate. It features an ergonomic multi-function tiller arm with all controls intuitively within reach and a responsive electric lifting system that lets operators confidently move loads of up to 1.5 tons or 2 tons depending on the configuration. Navigating around the warehouse is just as seamless. Even in tight aisles and small storage areas, its compact turning radius and vertical driving mode, allowing movement with the tiller arm upright, ensure fast, precise maneuvering to keep productivity high where space is limited. Powering everything is a maintenance-free lithium battery that delivers consistent power throughout the entire shift. With its quick swap battery design and optional fast charging in as little as 2 hours, your team spends less time waiting and more time working. Safety is paramount, and the emergency reverse button adds a crucial layer of protection, automatically reversing the truck if the operator is pressed unexpectedly. The truck's powerful motor enables a maximum driving speed of up to 4.8 km/h when unloaded, plus excellent gradability for climbing slopes with confidence. Shift after shift, the CBD15Li-2 delivers reliable, consistent performance. Whether you're working in warehouses, shops, manufacturing facilities or logistics centres, the CBD15Li-2 is built to boost productivity and streamline material handling. Upgrade your workflow, move smarter, work faster. Choose the Sinolift CBD15Li-2 lithium-powered pallet truck.